Welcome to CET Color's instructional web series on large format digital UV printers. Today we're going to show you how to replace a Powerboard on a 1000 cube printer with Ricoh Gen 4 print heads. Gather your materials. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 3/16 socket wrench, and the replacement Powerboard. Power off the printer. Refer to our instructional video on powering off the printer. Remove the top cover by using a Phillips head screwdriver and removing the screws one by one. Unplug all connectors to the Powerboard, including J1 DC power supply from heater board and power supply, J4 head voltage output, J3 head voltage output, J2 fire pulse control from the headboard, and J6 head voltage output, and J5 head voltage output. Use the 3/16 socket wrench and unscrew the brass mounting screws. Remove the Powerboard. Replace with the new Powerboard. Line up the mounting screw holes and then screw on the brass mounting screws. Plug in all connectors to the Powerboard, including J4 head voltage output, J3 head voltage output, J2 fire pulse control from the headboard, and J6 head voltage output, J5 head voltage output, and J1 DC power supply from heater board and power supply. Replace the top cover, screwing in the screws one by one with your Phillips head screwdriver. Power on the printer. Refer to our instructional video on powering on the printer. Go to the CET print controller and go to the testing and calibration page. Select the nozzle test from the drop-down menu and select your normal operating speed from the carriage speed drop-down menu. Run the nozzle test to confirm proper functioning of the Powerboard. And that's how you properly replace the Powerboard on a 1000 cube printer with Ricoh Gen 4 print heads.